Welcome back to Mia Wealth Hub, where we simplify money matters for you. Today, we're diving into one of the easiest and most hands-off ways to build wealth: index funds. If you're looking for a simple, lazy way to grow your wealth without needing to be a finance expert, this video is for you. So, you've probably heard about index funds. But what exactly are they, and why should you care? Well, think of them as the ultimate way to build wealth with minimal effort. I'm talking about investing without stressing over picking individual stocks or worrying about market timing. Index funds allow you to sit back, relax, and let your money work for you, automatically. What are index funds? Let's break it down. Index funds are a type of mutual fund or ETF, exchange-traded fund, that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index. So, instead of investing in individual stocks, you're investing in a whole collection of them, all at once. For example, the S&P 500 Index Fund is designed to mirror the performance of the S&P 500, a list of the 500 largest companies in the US. So when you invest in an S&P 500 Index Fund, you're buying a small piece of each of those 500 companies. It's a simple, diversified way to invest in the entire market. Why index funds are the lazy way to build wealth now? You might be wondering, why are they called the lazy way to build wealth? Well, the beauty of index funds is that you don't have to do anything fancy. You don't need to pick individual stocks, monitor the market constantly, or try to predict which companies will succeed. With index funds, you're automatically investing in a broad, diversified portfolio of assets that grow over time. Index funds are designed to match the market's overall performance, so they typically grow over the long term. You simply invest, and over time, you let compounding do its thing. The less you do, the more your wealth grows. It's lazy because once you make that initial investment, you don't need to constantly monitor it or do a lot of maintenance. You just set it, forget it, and watch your money grow. Pretty sweet, right? Benefits of index funds. So, why are index funds such a great option for beginner investors? Here are some benefits that make them a favorite for many. 1. Diversification. With an index fund, you're automatically diversified. 1. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket by investing in a single stock, your money is spread across many different companies or assets, reducing your risk. 2. Low fees. Index funds usually have lower fees than actively managed funds. 2. Since these funds just track an index rather than hiring a team of experts to pick stocks, the cost to you is much lower. 1. Long-term growth. Historically, the stock market has gone up over time, and index funds follow that trend. 1. They're ideal for long-term investors who want to grow their money steadily. 1. No need for expertise. You don't need to be a financial expert to succeed with index funds. 1. In fact, you don't need to do much research or spend time learning about each stock. 1. It's all done for you. How to invest in index funds now? Let's talk about how to actually start investing in index funds. The good news is, it's super easy. You can invest in index funds through an online brokerage account, like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. These platforms let you buy index funds with just a few clicks. You can start by choosing an index fund that aligns with your financial goals. A popular option is the S&P 500 Index Fund, but there are also other types, like total market index funds, which track the performance of the entire stock market, or international index funds for global exposure. Once you've picked a fund, you can invest a lump sum or set up automatic contributions, making investing as easy as possible. I always recommend automating your investments, so you're consistently adding money to your portfolio without thinking about it. Things to keep in mind. While index funds are an amazing tool, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, don't expect overnight results. Investing is a long-term game. Index funds are designed to grow over many years, not months. Patience is key. Also, even though they're low risk, it's important to stay invested through the ups and downs of the market. If you panic and sell when the market dips, you'll miss out on the recovery. So there you have it. Index funds are one of the easiest, most hands-off ways to build wealth. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned investor, they offer a simple, low-cost, and diversified way to grow your money over time. If you're ready to get started, check out the links to some great platforms in the description below, and let me know in the comments if you're planning to invest in index funds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on building your wealth the smart way, right here on Mia Wealth Hub.